Hi everyone, welcome to Edupedia World. This is Varun Ganga. In this session, we are going to learn a new shortcut which is very helpful in multiplying numbers with series of ones. That is, while multiplying numbers with series of ones like 11, 111, 1111 and so on, the shortcut that we are going to learn will be a lot useful in getting answers very easily and quickly. So before going to see what the shortcut is, let us have a rough discussion about the shortcut. Actually, the shortcut says to add the digits in the multiplicand to get the product. The use of shortcut depends on the number of ones that are in the series. It means, if we apply the shortcut to get the solution, we just add the digits at a time that are in the multiplicand as many times as there are that many ones. Suppose, if we are multiplying a number with 11, as there are 2 ones in the series, we will be adding 2 digits at a time until the digits gets completed in the multiplicand. If we are multiplying with 111, we will be adding 3 digits at a time in the multiplicand. For suppose, if a number is to be multiplied with 11, then at first we just write the first number from the right side in the multiplicand as it is, and afterwards we will be adding the first and second digits in the multiplicand from the right side, and we are going to write the sum in front of the number that we have written first in the answer. This process will be continued until the number of digits that are in the multiplicand gets complete. And if you are multiplying a number with 111, we write first number as it is from the right side in the multiplicand in the answer. Afterwards, we will be adding 2 digits, that is the first and second digits from the right side, and we will place that sum in front of the digit that we have written as it is in the answer. After that, we add 3 digits at a time. Why? Because we are having here 3 ones. So this process will be continued until that number of digits in the multiplicand gets completed. And this process is being done from the right side of the multiplicand. Now, if you are multiplying a number with 1111, the same process is done, but thing differs here is we will be adding 4 digits at a time, and this process is done until the number of digits gets completed in the multiplicand. So by this we can say that the addition of numbers in the multiplicand, whether it is 2 numbers, 3 numbers or 4 numbers, is determined on the basis of number of ones in the series. To understand more clearly and precisely, now let us discuss the use of shortcut with an example. The example is 54,382 into 11. In this example, I am going to explain how to use the shortcut when you are multiplying a number with 11. If you observe the number 54,382, we are having 2 in its ones place. So first, you write that 2 as it is in the answer. Since we are multiplying with 11, we are having 2 ones. So we should add 2 digits at a time in the multiplicand. If we add 2 digits that are in ones and tens place, we will get 8 plus 2 equals to 10. Since 10 being a 2-digit number, we write the digit in ones place, that is 0 in front of 2 in answer, and take 1 as carry on. Now, by adding the other 2 digits that are in tens place and hundreds place, we get 8 plus 3 equals to 11. We just add the carry on 1 to each, and we get 12. 12 also being a 2-digit number, we place 2 in front of 02 and take 1 as carry on. We repeat the above steps until the digits in the multiplicand gets completed. Literally, the procedure follows like this. Now, if we add the remaining digits, that is 3 and 4, we get 7. And by adding the carry on to each, we get 8. We write this 8 in front of the answer to 02. Again, by adding the last remaining digits, that is 4 and 5, we get 9. Since we are not having any carry-ons to add, we just place this 9 in front of the answer 8202. And finally, we write the lastmost digit, that is 5, which is left in the number as it is in front of the answer 98202. Since here too we are not having any carry-ons to add to the number 5. So therefore, we just place this 5 in front of the number, that is the answer 98202. And hence, we get the final answer or product as 5,98,202. So therefore, we can say that If we multiply the numbers 54,382 into 11, we get the final answer 5,98,202. So by observation of overall procedure, we can conclude that the addition of digits in the multiplication depends on the series of ones. So guys, this is the way how we are going to use the shortcut while multiplying the number with 11. So I hope that you have understood pretty well how to handle the shortcut. I wish you have all enjoyed the class, and we will see one more example regarding with multiplication of numbers with the series of two ones, that is 11, in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.